Let's wait for the airplane to pass. Hey YouTube family, it's your girl Kai Journey here with another video. I know! I am like trying my best to keep up with this regular upload and with YouTube. I'm getting a lot of ideas, a lot of inspiration, so I'm trying to put out as much content as I can with quality as I'm getting the inspiration as they're coming to me. So, what is going on now is back to school time. A lot of you in many other states have already been back to school. That already started for you guys. But here in New York, that doesn't start for another week or so for us. Well, not for me because I'm a grown woman. But this video is more geared towards my younger viewers. And if you are not a younger viewer, but you know a younger viewer, please go ahead and share this video with them. This is basically my motivation for going back to school with locks. So, as you know, I have locks. Right now it's in a protective style with pipe cleaners. So, I'll just show you guys a good boom, boom. But going back to school is challenging enough. You already had the whole summer, you had a good time, especially if you're starting a new school, especially if you're starting a new grade. Now, some of you might be going back to school with locks for the first time. Maybe you started your locks over the summer and this is the first time you're going to go back to school and you don't know how it will be accepted by your peers, your friends, your teachers, and you're probably a little bit nervous. And that is a valid point, but I'm here to tell you, just have confidence. You have to, when you go back to school, just rock your hair like it is the best thing on the planet. You have to watch YouTube videos, you have to research, and you have to cue styles. Sorry to say it, but this is the kind of world that we live in today. People are judged by their appearance, and it's sad. But for those of you that just started locks and this summer and you're nervous about going back to school, just trust me, just do little styles. There's so many back to school hairstyles with starter locks that you can just do and your hair will be really cute. Don't worry about what anyone else says. Don't worry about it. A lot of people, what I realize nowadays is when they have something negative to say, it is because they find something wrong with themselves. It doesn't necessarily have to be anything with you. It's just that they are missing something. They find something wrong with themselves, so they take out that on someone else, or they find that they have to pick on someone else. So when someone says something negative about your locks, you should know that. Just think about how sad they are inside and how angry they are inside and how much self-hurt they have. And you think about how much you love yourself. You love yourself enough to rock your hair how you want to rock it. You love yourself enough to have a lot of confidence. Do not let anyone in school, whether it's your teachers, your friends, your peers, well, they're not really your friends if they're going to make fun of you, but don't let anyone discourage you from having locks. Don't let them discourage you from wanting to cut your hair off. Don't let them discourage you from wanting to undo your hair. If you started locks this summer or whenever you started it and you're going back to school for the first time with it and you're nervous, just keep going. Keep your hairstyle looking cute. Keep, rocking it with confidence. Walk with your head held high. Make sure you take care of your hair. That's the next thing. You can't expect to have people love your hair if you're not taking care of it. You can't just say it's just going to be what it is and that's it. You have to take care of your hair. Whether you decide to freeform or continue to, retwist your hair or interlock, whatever you do, just make sure it is well maintained. Make sure you wash it. Make sure it's not funky. Make sure it doesn't stink. Make sure it doesn't have excessive lint. You know what I'm saying? Just make it look like it is the best thing on earth, because it is the best thing on earth. You just gotta wear it with confidence. You just gotta smile, walk with your head held high, do the cute styles, put your outfit together, and get your grades up. And no one can say anything to you. In fact, they might be envious, and you might start the trend where they will start doing locks because you just influenced them so much. You never know. When I started my lock journey, I had a lot of people that did not like my locks. Yes, I was a grown adult that started it, but a lot of people in my family and around me were just like, you're going to cut off your hair to start locks because, they considered that I had good hair per se. And I did it. And now a lot of people in my family have started the trend where they're going natural. And to think that they thought that I was making the wrong decision, now they're doing it. You never know who you might influence once you do the right thing that is right for you. You never know who you might influence. So when you go back to school this school year, you guys, just have fun, smile, which is my big thing. Rock your hair with confidence. Have that I know I look good kind of mentality. I know my hair looks good. And just make sure you take care of your locks. Always look on YouTube or research the internet for different ways to take care of your hair and do different styles. Even quick little pipe cleaners, it does take a while, but it gives you a style that lasts for a while. It gives you a different look because my locks are much longer. They're down to hair basically. But with this, I can do a little short little bob and I can, do it in different patterns, do it in different ways that I want to. Just make sure you just keep it fun, keep it fresh, especially if you're younger. Do the mohawks, let your hair stick up a little bit. Just do little fun styles, rock it with confidence, and have a great back to school year. Don't let anyone deprive you of your happiness, and do not let anyone try to discourage you from enjoying your locks and having a good year at school. Do you, just enjoy it. That's all I came to tell you guys today. Enjoy your school year, get your grades up, do very good. Let them know that grades, girls with locks do rock, and just do you. Enjoy your school year, get your grades up, and rock your locks with confidence. Alright? Subscribe to don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. There are lots of pictures there, from hairstyles to just happy faces to just motivation of just everything. Just make sure you keep yourself motivated with different social media networks, whether that is YouTube, whether that is Instagram, whether that is Twitter. Just keep yourself surrounded by people that have locks that can motivate you to continue on your journey. Alright, you guys, have a good one. All of my social media sites will be down below in the description bar. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kaya Journey, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my new subscribers for heading over to my channel and for watching me. And also a big thank you to my day one subscribers that has been with me since the beginning. I truly appreciate you guys. Enjoy your school year.